habang magaganap. Pero try mo pa din.
Okay, pili mo na kayo. So, yung gusto nyo, yung matanda o si Babalo? Babalo? Cebu Pacific, landing announcement, ha? Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed at Ninoy Aquino International Airport, ha? Cebu Pacific Air, welcomes you to Manila. On behalf of your flight, the crew, headed by Captain Asnar, with First Officer Pimentel, wow, ang lupit mo, and the rest of the team, we thank you, ha? For choosing Cebu Pacific, your airline of choice. Nang aano ka ha? Huwag kang ano, ha?
Grabe naman tong groom na to, napaka-talented. Sumayaw na, nag-impersonate pa, at may request sila sa'yo, Ronald. Ronald, ang sabi po ng madlang people, nagra-rap ka pa daw. Woo! Alam mo ba yung kanta ni Andrew E? Diba? Humanap ka ng pangit at ibigin mong tunay. Kantahan mo yung mga naghahanap ng true love. Ayan.